not looking too good. Nevertheless, the contents are dry and undamaged. The events in this update are not in chronological order. The CoverPro temporary garage is Kofi's attempt to utilize temporary storage until a permanent workshop can be constructed. The image you see is the portable garage tent from here on after some winds. The winds were not the strongest. The tent resisted, but this time there was damage. The metal broke at the connection points. Well, Kofi will execute a repair. Kofi made the repairs using duct tape. Yes, the grey colored tape meant for sealing air ducts. Reinforcement was done with lumber attached to the metal frame and subfloor. This is not the best idea as the metal broke an inch from the attachment point. 3 sections were reinforced in this manner and 2 have no problems. The next issue was the pooling of water atop of the tent. The pooling occurred in one location. This did result in a rip and stress on the frame member, causing a break during winds. Kofi cleared the water by scooping it away. If possible, push the sagging section from the underside outward, forcing the water off. If there is ice present, Kofi's advice is to slowly push and leave some remnants behind to melt in the sun. The ice will stick to the canvas like a child's tongue on a cold pipe, and as gently as can be, there will be rips in the tent when the ice is removed. Ice does a lot of damage, as seen with Mr. Tux. Water froze in the tub and took some of the bed liner with it when removed. Your narrator digresses, and the new topic is ripping. Rips in the tent, which were repaired with tape. This large tear happened when the wind pushed the tent against some wood underneath. The worst rip. Some rips were caused by the reinforcement coming into contact with the tent. Ice caused these rips, and with Kofi 100% of the time, do your best to prevent the ice buildup. Overall, the size of these tears is typically about 2 to 4 inches. The tent is in operation and looks like it may go another year. The joints are taped, holding against heavy rain, strong winds, and some snow. This concludes the update on the tent, and hopefully sharing this experience helps you. On this day, the tent went from beat down to more vigorous. The day is won.